Anna should be out by now. She is usually the first one at the gate. Anna, where are you, sweetheart? She's not here. Maybe she stayed late for a club. Excuse me, have you seen Anna Watson?
The quiet girl with the brown hair and the blue cardigan?
Yes, that's her. She has a school bag with a star keychain.
I think I saw her near the music room. She looked a bit upset.
Thank you so much. I'll check there right away. Anna? Sweetheart, it's Mom. Are you in here?
Mom, why are you hiding in the shadows?
Oh, my love, I'm not hiding. I'm right here with you. I was looking everywhere for you. Why are you in the dark?
I didn't want anyone to see me crying, especially not the teachers.
It's okay to cry, Anna. You can always talk to me. Tell me what happened. You were so excited about the show last week.
Ms. Miller chose me first to be the main performer.
I remember. You practiced your routine every night in the kitchen.
I was so scared.
I know, sweetie. It's okay.
Will you stay?
Of course. I'm right here.
I thought if I stayed here long enough, I'd just disappear.
You will never disappear to me. Come here, hug.
Everything was going so well until today, Mom.
Changed her mind? Why would she do that after you worked so hard?
She said Chloe is louder and more confident on the big stage.
Oh, sweetie, you are just as wonderful. Confidence comes in many forms, Anna. It isn't just about being loud.
Chloe told everyone I was too quiet and that the parents would get bored.
And it wasn't just Chloe, Mom. It was Lily, too. Your best friend, Lily? The one who always shares her snacks with you? She didn't say a single word to me all through lunch today. I know it does, but true friends always find their way back. She will come around. Be patient, my love.
Dad, look, my block tower is taller than the fridge now.
Whoa, Peter, that makes it look very dangerous.
Danger makes it cool, Dad, just like a real skyscraper.
I don't think that's how physics works, but it looks impressive.
It's going to reach the moon by tomorrow morning.
Hey there, Anna. How was school today?
Fine. I'm going to my room to do homework. Dinner will be ready soon. We're having your favorite, spaghetti.
You didn't eat much spaghetti, Anna.
I just wasn't hungry. What if Chloe is right about me?
About what? That you're quiet? Being quiet doesn't mean you are weak, Anna. It means you observe.
But the stage is so big and the audience is so loud.
Courage isn't always a roar. Sometimes it's the quiet voice at the end of the day.
Quiet courage, does that really count as much as the loud kind?
It counts for even more, my love. Here's your juice, sweetie.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome. Drink up before school.
It's so good.
I'm glad.
I don't want to feel like I'm disappearing anymore.
You won't. I'll be right here at the end of the school day.
Thank you for finding me yesterday. It made a big difference. Thanks, Mom. Bye. I love you.
Love you too. Have a great day.
I will. See you later.
Hi, Lily. Can we talk for a second before class? Oh, hi, Anna. I didn't see you there. I missed you at lunch yesterday. You seemed busy with Chloe. Yeah, we were just practicing the new routine. Did you like the new routine better than ours? It's not that. I just didn't want to get in trouble with Ms. Miller. It hurt that you didn't even look at me, Lily. I know I'm really sorry. I was just being a coward.
Good morning, class. Let's start with a vocal warm-up.
Ms. Miller, can I practice the center stage solo after lunch?
We'll see, Chloe. We have a lot to cover today.
Ms. Miller, may I say something?
Yes, Anna, is everything okay?
I know Chloe is strong, but I would like one chance to show my part.
The show needs a lot of energy to reach the back of the hall.
I have energy too, it's just a different kind of energy.
All right, Anna. That sounds like a fair request.
But Ms. Miller, I thought the lead part was already settled.
The show is about everyone finding their best place, Chloe.
Does this mean I can practice on the stage?
You can have the hall after school today with Mr. Reed.
Just me and the music teacher? No audience yet?
Just you. One chance to show us your heart.
Thank you, Ms. Miller. I won't let you down.
Your apple looks so shiny. Thanks, yours is too. Let's eat. Mmm, so juicy. The best.
You were so brave in there. I could never talk to her like that. I was shaking the whole time, Lily. Chloe scares me sometimes too. She's so loud about everything. Lily, why did you choose to sit with her yesterday? I didn't want to be the one left out. I would never have left you behind. I'm so sorry. Can I help you practice for this afternoon?
I'd like that.
I want my best friend on my side again.
Take your time, Anna. The stage is yours for the next hour.
I'm not sure where to start. The room feels so empty.
Start with your breath. Let the music tell you where to go.
Like this? It feels a bit strange.
Don't think about the steps. Think about the story you're telling.
My story is about a star that was hidden behind a cloud.
That's it. Now move like that star's finally coming out.
The music isn't outside of me. It's inside.
Look at the candles, everyone.
Wow, they're so pretty.
Yeah, so check.
Turn you did was so cool, Anna. You looked like a spinning top. Thanks, Peter. I've been working on my balance all day. Can I be in the show too? I can build a tower on stage.
In a world full of noise, honesty is the most powerful thing there is.
We're going to cheer so loud that the roof will shake. Mom, look at the sunset.
It is, sweetie, so beautiful.
I love this. I love you.
I love you too, my dear. Anna, come into my room. I have something to show you.
Is it a new costume? Ms. Miller said we could bring our own.
It's even better. It's not new, but it is very special. Look in this box.
It's beautiful. It looks like it's made of starlight.
I wore this when I was exactly your age for my first recital.
You were a dancer too? You never told me that.
I was just as quiet and scared as you are right now.
Did the dress help you feel brave?
Can I try it on, Mom? Just for a second? Of course, but remember, the dress doesn't shine by itself.
What do you mean? Look at all the silver threads.
It only truly glows when you move with purpose and belief. I'm not scared anymore. I'm just ready to show them. Then you are already a star, my daughter. I feel like a princess in this dress.
You look absolutely beautiful, my dear.
Do you really think so?
I know so. Now, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
5 minutes, everyone. Places for the opening act.
Watch and learn, Anna. This is how it's done. Good luck, Chloe. I hope you have a great performance. Oh, thanks. You too, I guess. You look amazing in that dress, Anna. You're literally glowing. Thanks, Lily. I'm glad you're here backstage with me. I'll be right in the wings cheering for every single step. Okay, quiet courage. Here we go.
I'm so nervous about the play.
You'll be wonderful, dear. And now, a special performance by Anna.
Breathe. Don't look at the eyes. Look at the light.
Go on, Anna. You can do this.
I am the star. I am the light.
Look at the way she moves. It's like she's floating. I've never seen a student perform with so much emotion. I don't need to be loud to reach the sky.
She's doing it, Sarah. She's really doing it!
Thank you, everyone. That was a truly magical evening. Choosing a winner was difficult as everyone showed such talent. But Anna, you told us a story. You showed us true courage. The first prize for the Starlight show goes to Anna Watson! I still can't believe how beautifully you danced tonight, Anna.
We are incredibly proud of you, sweetheart.
Thank you, Dad. I felt like I was actually floating up there. I didn't think I could do it, but the dress really did feel magical.
The magic was always inside you, Anna. The dress just helped you see it.
Can we go to the fancy hotel restaurant with the big dessert menu now?
Absolutely, tonight is our brightest star.
Everyone buckle your seatbelts. We are heading straight to the Grand Plaza. Welcome to the Grand Plaza. A celebrating a special occasion? Yes, we are celebrating our daughter's huge victory at her school talent show.
I even brought my first place trophy inside with me.
Biggest chocolate fountain they have on the menu for dessert.
Yes! I'm going to dip 100 marshmallows in it. I'm so glad Lily and I are best friends again, Mom.
I knew she would come around. True friends always support each other in the end.
Let's raise our glasses of sparkling cider to Anna. To Anna, the bravest and quietest star in the whole world.
Cheers! This is truly the best night of my entire life.
To our wonderful family.
And to many more happy times.
Cheers! Wow, look at the chocolate!
To family and chocolate.
Can we dip now?
Yes, let's go! Best dessert ever!